Show me on a commander with reference.
Can you roll the window down, please? Hey, how are you?
Alright.
Hey, I'm Officer Massey. I'm stopping the vehicle for two different reasons. First reason is your license is suspended. Okay, and secondly, your headlights are not on and it's raining outside. Go ahead. Did you know that your license was suspended?
Florida. Officer Massey stops a woman, no headlights in rain, suspended license on record. She refuses to identify herself. Her daughter is in the back seat. Two independent stop grounds. Florida Statute 316.217, headlights in rain, and a suspended license flagged by plate. Either alone satisfies Terry versus Ohio. The driver invokes sovereign citizen ideology, declaring herself a state national. No U.S. court has ever recognized this doctrine. It carries zero legal weight. Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada. Identifying yourself during a lawful stop does not violate the Fifth Amendment. It is a statutory duty. Florida Statute 316.650 requires license, registration, and insurance on lawful demand. I'm not complying equals refusal. The semantic distinction is not a legal defense.
I'm supposed to be on a Mazda.
Could you call a sergeant?
No, I cannot.
What I copied to Charlie K. King.
You're more than welcome to call 435-1845 and request one, but he's not going to come out just for you requesting to talk to him. I'm perfectly capable of doing my job, okay? Do you have any questions in reference to why I stopped you? Okay, so I'll need three things from you. Your license, your registration on the vehicle, and your insurance.
Business.
Say again?
I don't conspire in business.
I don't know what that means, ma'am.
I don't conspire in your business. I do not understand. I don't answer questions.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
212.
Okay. So, man, this is going to go...
State national, I don't care.
Okay. So, listen, this is going to go one way and one way only. Okay? You are going to identify yourself, and if you refuse to, I'm going to remove you from the vehicle, and I'm going to place you under arrest.
I'm not refusing.
You are.
Because I'm not complying.
Okay. You're in violation of two Florida state statutes, and you have to provide your license, or you have to identify yourself. You have not done either of those.
I've identified myself as a state national.
Sure. Go ahead. Start me another. So, here's the deal. Okay.
I do not contract and I do not answer.
Okay.
10-4, we're just going to see if you were direct on my traffic loss tag.
Yeah, I'm 0.6. I'm just stand by. So here's the deal. Okay.
198 of 97. 10-4.
I'm gonna give you one more chance, okay, to provide your identification.
What's that 5 you take over?
And if you don't, you're going to jail.
No.
Yeah, he's 10-4.
Because I'm super nice, right? If you just provide your ID, you know, you might just get a warning, you know. But when behavior like this continues,
I have not.
I'm more likely to write citation. Okay, so you have to identify yourself.
My hands are in my lap.
Sure.
And I've identified myself as a
How?
state national.
Okay.
I do not do this.
You're on the roadway in the state of Florida,
Contract.
and you're in violation of two state statutes, and you have still not identified yourself after I've asked several times, okay? So get out of the vehicle. Come on, get out of the vehicle. Turn away from me. Turn away from me. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Interlock your hands like you're praying. Gotcha. Ma'am.
After 6 warnings, the officer removes her from the vehicle. Pennsylvania versus Mimms. This authority requires no justification beyond the lawful stop. Extraction is controlled standard commands, no weapons drawn. Graham versus Connor. Force judged by objective reasonableness at the moment. This qualifies. A child is in the back seat. Florida law requires custody arrangements for any minor when a parent is arrested. The officer correctly raises DCF protocol. Records confirm. Habitual traffic offender under Florida Statute 322.264. Under 322.34, driving on a suspended license as a habitual traffic offender is a third-degree felony, not a misdemeanor. A plate fraud issue emerges tag registered to another individual, expired 2023. Under Florida Statute 320.261, attaching an unassigned plate is a separate felony. The subject admits the plate is the one she rides with a partial admission. Her daughter's statement corroborates the allegation.
Fill this shit tight for me, okay? I'll come back and talk to you.
198.
Take a step to your right, please. Take a step to your right, please. I don't want you to get all soaking wet. Is there anyone else in here besides? Hey, baby, you okay? Okay, just 1 second, okay? I'll walk her back. If you'll just stand with the rest, I think we'll be good with that. Ma'am, do you have anything on your person you're not supposed to have? Okay. Over here.
I'd like to give you notice.
Hey, Officer Thompson, swap with me, please. And if you'll search her, they're okay. I'm not worried about them. They've been chill the whole time.
I'd like for you to take notice that I've you know, let
Okay.
you know.
Alrighty.
All right. Hey, just stay safe.
Hey, ma'am, how are you? What's the deal with her?
I don't know, she was taking me and trying to...
Do you know her? I mean, obviously, is she just giving you a ride or what?
You had to give me a phone. See, I'm not from here.
Okay, I got you.
I don't know my way.
What's your relation to her? Just a friend or?
Yeah.
Okay. Is the child with you, or is the child with her? Okay.
She was trying to help me get my phone.
Sure.
For acting, no.
Go ahead. Okay, I'm sorry.
I can have, be able to know to get the phone, because I got to have my phone because I'm from this city.
Yes, ma'am.
All my information in the phone, my phone tore up.
Does that Lilo and Stitch bag belong to her or you? Huh? Is that your mom that was driving? Yeah? That's your mommy? Is that her backpack? It's y'all's togethers? Okay. Alrighty. Thompson, if you'll come back here for me, please. Y'all just sit tight for me, okay? There's a kid in the fucking back seat, too. Her child. 175, 40, 150. Thank you.
Don't I get to talk or call someone about my child?
I would love to do that for you.
About harassment or coercion?
Is Billy's for your
Harassment or coercion?
Is your dad's number 418?
Listening?
Okay, well that chance is ended. We're just gonna do the DCF route then.
Disagree. And I've asked that you call a sergeant and identify me correctly.
You just spoke to one.
I asked that you identify me correctly. Identify me correctly. This is kidnapping and it's coercion to threaten me behind the well-being of my daughter.
Yeah.
Are you aware of that? Are you upset because you feel that you don't have the correct information? I'm entitled to that.
You're entitled to nothing.
Excuse me? You're saying I don't have rights?
You do.
Okay.
But if I don't want to let you speak to them, I'm not going to.
Well, you were nasty from the beginning, sweetheart.
Oh, was I really? I think I'm actually very nice.
No, you weren't.
The officer states, "You're entitled to nothing. This is constitutionally inaccurate. All persons in custody retain rights, including Miranda protections under Miranda versus Arizona. Withholding procedural access based on attitude approaches retaliatory deprivation scrutinized under Title 42, Section 1983. Outcome guilty. Resisting arrest without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. Suspended license charge dropped no file. Passive resistance generated a conviction the stop itself did not. Grades Officer Massey, B. Lawful stop, repeated de-escalation, proportionate force, sound child welfare handling, deduction. Entitled to nothing creates Section 1983 civil exposure. Subject D. Habitual traffic offender on a suspended license, baseless ideology, partial plate fraud admission. Every decision escalated her exposure. Guilty verdict was foreseeable. Passenger Miss Rivers, A-. Full cooperation, facilitated child and vehicle resolution without incident. Lessons sovereign citizen doctrine fails in every U.S. court. Invoking it during a stop with pre-existing violations converts a civil matter into a criminal arrest. Passive resistance costs more than compliance. The license charge was dropped. The resisting charge it created was not. Non-compliance is never a neutral act. One imprecise statement on Bodycam survives every sound decision made. Officers must maintain constitutional precision even under sustained provocation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.
She's habitual too, that's probably why. Part of it. Hey,
My proper paperwork
question for you.
is home, and Miss Rivers can provide that when
Can Miss Rivers take possession of this vehicle as well, so we don't have to tow it? I don't want to have to tow it.
there's no problem.
Okay, cool. I appreciate it. Watch your feet. Hey, she's good with her taking the car. En route to county. Copy starting.
You know, you're a very nasty young man.
21,680. I disagree, but hey, everyone's
Can I provide
able to have their own opinion.
Guess what, though?
What?
You came up, and because you know what you do as a form of business, you mistaken me for a regular, Joe. The idea is you did not provide me the common courtesy or answer your questions like they should be answered.
You know why?
0003946
That is wrong to treat someone as if they can't do business. Just so you know.
You know why I decided not to allow you to do any of that?
You need a reason.
Because of your behavior and how you're acting. You don't deserve anything right now.
Excuse me? Because of my views? Is that what you said?
I said your behavior.
What behavior? I did not yell. I did not force myself or voice on you or anyone that you were with. I didn't struggle with you. What do you mean? What was my behavior to your standard?
This would have went much easier if you just provided your information like everyone else does from the beginning.
To provide that information is that not doing business with you. So I have to conduct business the correct way. Is that not true?
100%. I agree with you.
Okay, all right. So
Which you refuse to do.
hold on a minute. I let you know that I didn't have my proper paperwork on my vessel. And that I do have it. Yes? And
None of those words were said.
I asked for a sergeant.
Yep.
And a sergeant has a protocol to call as well.
Oh, really? Does he? Okay, interesting.
He has the overstanding to do business as it should be done.
Well,
Yes. Just so you know, darling.
gotcha. Well,
I'm just letting you know. I promise you, my paperwork is in the correct order, and I'm not going to.
sure. Well, it wasn't presented to me like you're statutorily required to.
You know, you can go back and forth and talk over me all day, but it is a way that you treat people that it doesn't have to go that way. So just so you know, you were very rude.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Oh.
I know that your ego might be high, and you're in a position where you might not like people to tell you what they think or what to do, but you're no better than anyone.
I love to hear that stuff, though. It's a metal.
Furthermore, could you put some gloves on? Because you have the sniffles, and I would like to, they say.
No, I'm okay. Thank you, though.
No, that's for my safety.
You see this plastic barrier between us?
Touched me.
Okay.
Touched me. And
Sure.
you've been hacking and coughing since you've seen me.
Hacking and coughing.
Yes.
That's interesting.
It's really not, darling. I pay good attention.
Gotcha.
It's the cocaine habit or what, but the idea is,
That's a new one.
no, it's not.
It'll be alright.
You think so?
100%.
People's right to bother you. I just asked you, not do a lot of work for it.
Do people's rights
Yes,
bother me?
yes. You go about your life, going against people's rights, so I just wonder if it bothers you.
No, those things are very important.
I know that they're important. You didn't answer my question. I asked you, they bother you.
I answered it.
Does it bother you?
No.
No? You sleep well at night? Just a question. No need to answer. It's the attitude. I just want to know if it
Hey, let me ask you this. Do you also own a white Honda? Your daughter said you did.
should listen to children.
She said you put the license plate from that car on the one you just got stopped in. I would assume because that one's valid.
I think my solder plate is in the car, because that's the one I ride with.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's another good way to go to jail.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
So, darling. You ever wonder how a person can be so habitualized they never do time?
I have no clue what that means.
Oh, well, you look at my record and we thought you could tell me that. Just wondering.
Oh, because it says it and I can read.
Yeah,